He wears loose clothes.
He wears loose clothes.
She has thick hair.
She has thick hair.
My feet are small.
My feet are small.
She is very tall.
She is very tall.
He has a neat beard.
He has a neat beard.
I am quite shy.
I am quite shy.
Tom has black hair.
Tom has black hair.
Her eyes are green.
Her eyes are green.
I have broad shoulders.
I have broad shoulders.
She wears a blue dress.
She wears a blue dress.
He is 20 years old.
He is 20 years old.
She stands very straight.
She stands very straight.
My hair is curly.
My hair is curly.
Anna has fair skin.
Anna has fair skin.
I am of average height.
I am of average height.
Lisa has a round face.
Lisa has a round face.